In the heart of Abu Dhabi, a vision of pure white marble rises from the desert, a testament to faith, culture, and artistry. This is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, a modern marvel conceived by the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founding father of the United Arab Emirates. His dream was not just to build a mosque, but to create a cultural landmark that would unite the world, embodying the Islamic message of peace, tolerance, and diversity. The journey of this architectural masterpiece began in the late 1980s. Sheikh Zayed envisioned a structure that would consolidate Islamic architecture, blending different styles from various Muslim civilizations into a harmonious and unified creation. He wanted it to be a living reference of modern Islamic architecture, a place that would radiate enlightenment and connect with people from all walks of life. The location itself was carefully chosen, positioned between the two main bridges connecting Abu Dhabi Island to the mainland, making it a prominent and symbolic gateway to the city. Construction commenced in 1996, a monumental undertaking that brought together thousands of artisans and specialists from across the globe. From Morocco to India, Germany to New Zealand, the project was a global collaboration. The finest materials were sourced internationally, civic marble from Macedonia, which gives the mosque its pristine white appearance. Intricate floral inlays made of semi-precious stones from India, and vast, delicate chandeliers crafted with millions of Swarovski crystals from Germany. This global effort was a physical manifestation of Sheikh Zayed's vision of international unity. Every detail of the mosque tells a story. The design philosophy was to merge the architectural schools of Mamluk Ottoman styles, transforming them into a contemporary work of art. The mosque features 82 domes of varying sizes, with the largest one located in the center of the main prayer hall. Their pure white exteriors are crowned with gold glass mosaic finials that glitter in the sun. Over 1,000 columns in the outer arcades are clad in marble and inlaid with mother-of-pearl, creating a breathtaking visual rhythm that draws the eye upward. As you step inside the main prayer hall, you are greeted by an atmosphere of serene grandeur. Beneath your feet lies the world's largest hand-knotted carpet, a single piece woven by 1,200 Iranian artisans. It took them 2 years to complete this intricate masterpiece, which depicts a stunning floral design. Looking up, you'll see one of the world's largest chandeliers, weighing approximately 12 tons. It glitters with countless crystals and 24-karat gold plating, casting a warm, ethereal glow over the hall. The mosque's courtyard is equally impressive, featuring a floral marble mosaic that spans over 17,000 square meters, considered one of the largest of its kind in the world. The design, created by British artist Kevin Dean, represents flowers native to the desert region, a beautiful symbol of life blooming in even the harshest environments. The pools surrounding the mosque are not just for aesthetics. They reflect the arcades, minaret and columns, creating a spectacular, almost magical effect, especially at night when the lunar cycle-inspired lighting system bathes the structure in a soft, bluish-white light. Sheikh Zayed passed away in 2004 before the mosque was completed. He was laid to rest in the courtyard, and his mausoleum has become a place of quiet reflection. The mosque officially opened to the public in 2007, finally bringing his magnificent vision to life. Today, it stands not just as a place of worship for thousands, but as an open invitation to the world. It's a place of cultural learning, hosting visitors from every corner of the globe, offering them a deeper understanding of Islamic art, culture, and values. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is more than just a building. It is the enduring legacy of a leader who dreamt of a world united by beauty, respect, and peace.